Papayas are a delicious and nutritious tropical fruit. Known for their vibrant orange flesh and sweet, juicy flavor, they have become a beloved fruit worldwide. But there's more to papayas than just their taste. These tropical gems are packed with a variety of nutrients that contribute to overall health and wellness. With their vibrant orange flesh and sweet, juicy flavor, papayas have become a beloved fruit worldwide. They are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to fruit salads, blend them into smoothies, or even use them in savory dishes like salsas and marinades. The possibilities are endless. Originating in Central America, papayas now flourish in tropical regions around the globe. They thrive in warm climates and are cultivated in countries such as Mexico, India, Indonesia, and the Philippines. The papaya tree itself is quite fascinating, with its large lobed leaves and clusters of fruit that grow directly from the trunk. Their versatility shines through in various culinary creations, from refreshing smoothies to tangy salsas. Papayas can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, making them a staple in many kitchens. They pair well with other tropical fruits like mango and pineapple, and their natural sweetness can enhance the flavor of desserts, salads, and even grilled meats. Beyond their delectable taste, papayas boast an impressive nutritional profile, making them a powerhouse of health benefits. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as folate and fiber. These nutrients support various bodily functions, from boosting the immune system to promoting digestive health. The seeds of the papaya are also edible and have been used in traditional medicine for their potential health benefits. Among their many vitamins and minerals, papayas are particularly renowned for their exceptional vitamin C content. Just 1 cup of papaya provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is vital for healthy skin, hair, and nails. This essay will delve into the remarkable benefits of papayas, focusing on their vitamin C content and its role in collagen production for healthy skin and overall well-being. We will explore how incorporating papayas into your diet can contribute to a radiant complexion, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this tropical superfruit and learn how to make the most of its incredible health benefits. Papayas are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant crucial for various bodily functions. Just 1 cup of papaya provides a significant portion of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a vital role in supporting a robust immune system, protecting against cellular damage, and promoting collagen synthesis. Collagen, a protein abundant in our bodies, provides structure and support to our skin, bones, tendons, and cartilage. It acts as a scaffolding, keeping our skin firm, elastic, and youthful. However, collagen production naturally declines with age, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint stiffness. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. It acts as a cofactor for enzymes involved in collagen production, meaning it's essential for these enzymes to function correctly. Without sufficient vitamin C, collagen production slows down, leading to weaker connective tissues and visible signs of aging. Think of vitamin C as a vital worker in a collagen factory. Without enough workers, the factory can't produce collagen efficiently. Papaya, being rich in vitamin C, ensures an adequate supply of these essential workers, keeping the collagen factory running smoothly. Collagen is often hailed as the fountain of youth for our skin. This essential protein is the most abundant in our bodies, making up about 75% of our skin's dry weight. It acts as the building block for our skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. Its presence is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity, hydration, and a youthful appearance. Collagen fibers provide the structural support that keeps our skin firm and resilient. When our collagen levels are optimal, our skin looks smooth, plump, and vibrant. When collagen levels are high, our skin appears plump, firm, and wrinkle-free. This is because collagen helps to retain moisture, which is essential for keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Additionally, collagen promotes the regeneration of skin cells, aiding in the repair of damaged skin and the reduction of scars and blemishes. However, as collagen depletes with age and environmental factors like sun exposure, our skin loses its elasticity, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. The natural aging process, combined with exposure to UV rays, pollution, and lifestyle choices such as smoking, can accelerate the breakdown of collagen in the skin. By consuming vitamin C-rich foods like papaya, we can help counteract this depletion. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. It helps to neutralize free radicals that can damage collagen and supports the enzymes that stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers. We provide our bodies with the necessary building blocks to support collagen production, including a variety of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, can further enhance collagen synthesis and promote overall skin health. This in turn helps maintain skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a healthy, youthful glow. By taking care of our collagen levels through a balanced diet, proper skincare, and a healthy lifestyle, we can enjoy radiant, youthful skin for years to come. Beyond its remarkable benefits for skin health, papaya offers a wide array of health benefits due to its rich nutrient profile. Papayas are a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, and vitamins A and E. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall health, from boosting digestion to strengthening the immune system and protecting against chronic diseases. Let's delve deeper into some of the remarkable health benefits of incorporating papaya into your diet. Section 6. Digestion and Immunity. Papaya's digestive and immune-boosting prowess. Papaya contains a unique enzyme called papain, known for its remarkable digestive properties. This enzyme is found in the fruit, latex, and leaves of the papaya plant. Papain has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, particularly those related to digestion. Papain aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for our bodies to digest food and absorb nutrients. This process is crucial because proteins are complex molecules that need to be broken down into amino acids before they can be utilized by our bodies. By facilitating this breakdown, papain helps improve overall digestive efficiency. This enzyme is particularly beneficial for individuals with digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. People suffering from these conditions often find relief by incorporating papaya into their diets. The soothing properties of papain can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthier digestive tract. Furthermore, papaya's high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system by supporting the production of white blood cells, our body's natural defense against infections. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also plays a vital role in the repair and growth of tissues, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining overall health. Regular consumption of papaya can bolster your immune defenses, reducing the risk of common colds, flu, and other infections. Including papaya in your daily diet can provide a natural boost to your immune system, helping you stay healthy and energetic. Whether enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as part of a fruit salad, papaya is a delicious and nutritious way to support your body's digestive and immune functions. Section 7. Heart health and antioxidants. Papaya's cardiovascular and protective properties. Papaya is a heart-healthy fruit due to its rich potassium content and fiber. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Fiber, on the other hand, helps lower cholesterol levels, further promoting cardiovascular health. Additionally, papaya is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Section 8. Versatile and delicious. Enjoying papaya in your diet. Incorporating papaya into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy it fresh, diced in fruit salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Papaya can also be grilled, baked, or added to salsas and chutneys for a tangy twist. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, there's a papaya recipe out there for everyone. Section 9. Embrace the power of papaya, a fruit for health and vitality. Papaya, the Vitamin C Powerhouse, is a nutritional gem with numerous health benefits. From its remarkable collagen-boosting properties for youthful skin to its digestive, immune-boosting, and heart-healthy benefits, papaya is a fruit worth incorporating into your daily diet. Embrace the power of papaya and experience the transformative effects of this tropical delight on your health and well-being.